Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So today I would be talking about 5 healthy lifestyle changes that I brought about in my life from the beginning of this year. So since the beginning of this year, I have changed few of my habits for a better one, and I thought that I'll be sharing that with you because recently I'm sharing everything with you all because I feel that whatever changes and whatever good habits that I am making and the choices that I'm making for myself, I should share that with you all. So nowadays we are pretty much hectic with our schedule. Of course, not for the past 3-4 months. For the past 3-4 months we have been at home, but normally we are always running against time and we have some goals in our lives, and since we are so busy in our lives that we forget to be healthy and forget to become healthy both physically and mentally. And so I have made this conscious effort and conscious decision that I will be changing my lifestyle into a more healthy one and a good one. So till last year I was also among those people who were unhealthy and used to have a very busy and hectic schedule, and often would have junk food all the time and would stay up till like the wee hours at night and would not bother to be healthy. And I thought that this should stop, and I would be making some healthy choices which would help me not only to grow and be fit, but also I kept in mind about my mental health, because mental health is equally important, as I have always said and I have always emphasized. Mental health is something which we should take care of in the same way that physical health should be taken care of. So since I was very unhealthy and since I wouldn't even care about my health, I started falling sick. I started feeling exhausted and tired all the time, and I wouldn't feel that positive vibe in me anymore, and I was feeling very low and depressed, and I wouldn't know why this was happening with me. I didn't know what more to do in order to make myself more happy and satisfied. But I started doing few things eventually from the beginning of this year which made me happy mentally as well as physically. Nothing would make you happy if you are not happy from inside. So I started taking mental health seriously. So let's talk about the changes that I have made in my life so far. So the first lifestyle change that I brought about in my life was to have an early dinner. So most of us tend to have our dinner at around 11 p.m. or 10 p.m. and I also used to have my dinner at 11:30. But I started feeling very bloated, and I also started feeling not so good about it. And so the first change that I made was to have my dinner a little early, which was like around 7:30 p.m. And I have started noticing some changes in my mood as well as in my physical well-being. I'm feeling much more happy about myself and I am not feeling bloated. Doing some physical work is required after you have your dinner. I'm not talking about workouts, but you should not sleep immediately after you have had your dinner. So after I have my dinner at 7:30, I continue with my work and I do my daily routine, and I try to take a walk, and it makes me so happy and it makes me feel so fit that I am still continuing that, and I'm feeling good about myself, and that is what matters the most, right? And I highly recommend you all to have your dinner by 7 p.m. because that is very important and it will make you good as well. So this is the first change that I have brought about in my life, and yeah. The second thing is being positive. I, like many other, wouldn't feel positive all the time, but from the beginning of this year I have started to internalize to being positive. If you want to be positive, you have to internalize that, and it's a habit that you have to develop. Try to be positive all the time. I know it's not always possible because of the ups and downs that we have in our lives, but try to be positive and try to look at the brighter side of everything, and try to be around positive people and spread positive vibes as much as you can. I have tried to develop a positive attitude. I have tried to internalize this habit and made this a part of my routine to be positive all the time. Especially in this time of crisis, it is very difficult to be positive, but still I am trying to cope up with this crisis and trying to be positive and looking at the brighter side and hope that things will get better. This is a very good life choice and very good decision that I've made for myself, that I try to be positive all the time, and I would recommend all of you to at least try to be a positive person. The third lifestyle change that I have brought in is to eat healthy. I try to eat healthy and be fit physically as well as mentally, and I have always raised my voice against body shaming. But to be fit and be healthy from inside is something which I've always talked about, and I have been the person who used to have so much of junk food from outside and never used to like homemade cooked food. But from the beginning of this year, I have started developing this habit as well. I started liking and started loving home cooked meals, and tried to not have as much as junk food that I've had in the past, and this has helped me in a lot of ways. It has made me healthy, and I feel that I have a lot of energy right now, and I started having fruits, vegetables, milk and proteins in my diet. What I do is, since I am a foodie and it's very difficult for me to be on a strict diet, I am never on a diet, but what I try to do is I try to have healthy meals, and once a week, of course not right now in this situation, I am not having outside food for the past 4 months, but I'm talking about the first few months of this year. I had outside food once a week, and for the rest 6 days I have had home cooked meals, and I'm loving it. This made me physically fit and I'm feeling much better than before. Also, I try to restrict my portions, and I try to have my food in a smaller bowl, because that helps me a lot to restrict myself from having a lot at a single time, and I'm having meals in an interval. But of course, if you want to do proper diet, then you should consult a dietitian. But I'm not consulting anyone right now. What I'm doing is I'm just eating healthy, and I'm having a lot of fruits and vegetables. Number 4 is seek help when you need. I have never understood the importance of therapist or a professional until this year, because I was never worried about, or I never thought about mental health so much. But from the beginning of this year, I had so many changes, and I understood the importance of mental health, and I also understood the fact that if you are feeling low and you are unable to control yourself or control the situation around you and you're feeling depressed, then please talk to someone who is a therapist or who is a professional, because he or she will help you and will guide you through this situation and this time. And there is nothing to be ashamed about. This is something which is very natural and very normal in this, especially in this crisis situation that we are facing right now. It is very important that we keep ourselves and our minds healthy. Always remember that mental health is the priority, and it should be your priority always. You should take care of your mental health all the time, and you should give priority to your mental health all the time, because if you are not happy from inside, then nothing in the world would make you happy. So it is yourself that is responsible for your happiness. Always remember that only you and only you can make yourself happy. Nothing in the world, not even any other person, not even any material object in the world can make you happy if you are not happy from inside. So always take care of your mental health. Always treat your mental health with utmost priority. Number 5 is exercise. I have never been an exercise kind of a person. I have always hated exercising. But for the past few months I have just started doing these light exercises at home. I should not even talk about this because I know nothing about exercise and stuff, but I'm just doing these light exercises that everybody do at home and I'm feeling good. And that's why I thought that I should share this with you. Just for half an hour or 15-20 minutes I'm doing these light exercises, and it's making me feel good about myself and it's keeping me healthy. And I'm not stressing, and I never stress about losing weight. Losing weight is not something that you should stress upon, and you shouldn't be always concerned about losing weight. What you should be more focused about is to be healthy from inside. And that is the reason I have started exercising a little in order to keep myself fit but not to lose weight. So exercising is another healthy habit that I have inculcated for the past few months. And so these are the few healthy lifestyle changes that I have brought about in my life from the beginning of this year, and hopefully this video will be helpful to you all. And if you like this video, then please like, share and comment on my video, and please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.